In the market for a 2012 Ford Falcon. Travel the roads in style and comfort in this great vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine. Run all over town without worrying about filling up. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: a CD player, central locking, climate control, cruise control, power mirrors, power windows, stability control. Ride in style with the included premium wheels. Keep your family safe on the road with the added security of anti-lock braking. It's important to be able to trust in the safety components of the vehicle you purchase. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call us now.